Hey guys, in today's video I'm gonna just go in on a freaking get me to the point. Gold, silver, basically. Anything I'm gonna put Wait, my headset's not right on my head. Oh. Sorry guys, but my headset's like really buggy. Yes, if you heard that, it's because you were like calling my thing a stupid idea. It's just because I have these like dummy T13 figures. I use them kind of like stop motion, and I can't get the head of the gold one. A gold. This man. Oh wait, through here will be that part of the Oh. Have like a 50. Guys, because people are willing to trade things for what? A bunch of Wow, this is the holy grail. This is just a mining trip box. I turned around the ferry mode with Sky. It's very like Sky. It's bad. being mean. Did I just steal? Like, a bunch of... VR because no one actually dash VR might be also go subscribe to Kate. He hates me, but who cares? Just go sub to him. Get a little bit extra. You get less money if you don't guess it. It's better to like try and guess. See how much money I get from my mining trip. So I already got 6,500. Yeah, next one getting 1.347. Oh yeah, and I need to claim this. Oh, it's not time for it to claim it yet. I've either already claimed it, or I am waited 24 hours for it, so, yep. Anyway, thanks for joining me with my mining trip anyway, so, like, look forward to you guys. See you on the next one, and maybe the next time you'll see me in the video, I'll be in Axolotl. I'll be called AxoVR. Yep, this is gonna be me. I'm gonna get a really cool profile picture. And it's gonna be Magic Carl. Oh, they got rid of the penguin park. Oh. I just have to admit, got rid of it. To make sure so no one else gets it. I'm actually pretty sad that me and my friends can't get it no more in the match. But I know what the first thing I'm buying is. I'm not sure why, but I just want extra arms. I can turn myself into General Grievous with these. Couldn't I? Can you actually pick things up with this? You can. People can then turn into a General. General Kenobi! I've been expecting you. Yeah! I'm gonna play with this for the next, like, hour. This is hilarious. Bing, 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 bing. Look, it's like an extra arm. What is happening with my arm? If I use the other arm... Is it not even grabbing this thing anymore? Do I have to grab it out of its hand? Is it not? Alright, he's holding a snowball. Aw, explain. So, I'm definitely gonna make a robot. And, it's killing me! Oh, that's sick. I love this. Oh, wait, I can give myself it. Oh, wait. No, I'll be lifting. Yeah, my arm is over there. It's cool. Sorry guys for just playing around there. I tend to be childish, but I gotta give it that. We have to switch out for a snowball. Anyway, let's put this in my stash. I wouldn't have used it. This is my stash. My fan code will now be AXL.